Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Acura TLX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4-door courtesy lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.